Students, I am Satish Tiwari. This is my second video. In the first video, I have given maximum formula of differentiation. In this video, going to give example. We have to do example based on all the maximum formula. I hope you have learned all the formula of differentiation. If not able to learn, please open your copy. In which copy you have written the formula, and with the help of formula, try to do the question. Then this is first example. In first example, find dy by dx means derivative of this function. Then first of all, we have to put the symbol. If any question is there, we have to put the symbol. Means dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin of x plus e power x minus log of x base c plus 6 into a power x plus 5 into x cube minus 10. Clear? Now how many terms inside the bracket? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have formula. Differentiation of sum or difference of two or more two terms are there. Then we can differentiate each and every terms indivisible. It means here d by dx of sin of x and d by dx of e power x minus d by dx of log of x base a, d by dx of 6 into a power x and d by dx of 5 into x cube minus d by dx of 10. Clear? Now put the formula. If you learn, otherwise open your copy, because in the first video given so many formula. What is differentiation of sin x? Sin x means cos x. E power x means e power x minus log x base e. X base e means 1 by x plus, now here product of constant and variable. In this case, leaving constant, differentiation of variable. It means leaving 6, differentiation of a power x means a power x log of a base e plus here 5 into x cube, leaving 5. Then 5 into d by dx of x power n. X power n means n into x power n minus 1. It means here 3 into x power 3 minus 1 means 2 minus differentiation of only constant number is 0. It means d by dx of 10 is equal to 0. Now cos x plus e power x minus 1 by x plus 6 into a power x and log of a base e plus 15x square. Now this is answer of first example. Understood? Very simple. First up write the symbol. After that, whatever formula is there, we can put the formula. If you don't know formula, then few days open your copy, formula copy, and with the help of copy you can put the formula. Now see the second question. I am going to give second example. Second example means here, if y is equal to x square into 10x. Here y is equal to x square into 10x. Then first of all put the symbol. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square into 10x. Then here product of two function x square into 10x. Then we suppose x square is first function and 10x is the second function. Now we can use the formula. Formula is only leaving first function, differentiation of second function plus leaving second function and d by dx of first function, that is x square. Now x square, what is the differentiation of 10x? Sec square x. Very good. Sec square x plus here 10x. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. Very good. 2x. Now this is answer means x square. Here sec square x 2x into 10x. Now this is answer of the second example. Then this is third example. Y is equal to e power x into log of x into cos of x. These questions in the form of product of three function. Then dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e power x into log of x into cos of x. Now I have given example, I have given formula for this example here. Let here first function, second function and third function. Now we have also formula of product of three function, leaving first two function, differentiation of third function, plus leaving second and third, differentiation of first, plus leaving third and first, differentiation of second function. It means here e power x and log of x d by dx of cos of x, plus leaving log of x cos of x d by dx of e power x, plus leaving cos of x into e power x, cos of x into e power x and d by dx of log of x. Once more, going to repeat. Leaving e power x into log x d by dx of cos x, plus leaving log x into cos x d by dx of e power x, plus leaving cos x into e power x d by dx of log of x. After that, only you put the symbol, you put the formula. Formula means e power x log of x, cos x means minus sign. Minus means only here minus and sin x, plus log of x into cos of x. What is the differentiation of derivative of e power x? E power x means e power x means e power x plus cos of x e power x, log means 1 by x. Now this is answer of the third example. Understood? See the question. After seeing question, you have to think about the formula. In which questions, in which formula we can apply. Then here only e power x log x into cos x. Use the product formula. Apply the rules and formula, and at last we will get the answer. And example number 4 here. Y is equal to x plus sec of x upon here cos of x. Clear? Now this is quotient rule. Quotient means if any quotient in the form of efx by gx, efx upon gx, this quotient is called in the quotient form. Then dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x plus sec of x upon cos of x. Now this is also for this course I give the formula in the first video. Then here total means numerator is u and denominator is v. How many terms of the numerator or denominator? This is not a matter. Matter is this is in the form of fx by gx. Then here fx upon gx here. It means u by v form. It means here u by v form. Clear? Now leaving v, differentiation of means d by dx of x plus sec x minus leaving u, it means x plus sec of x into d by dx of and cos of x whole upon what? Cos of x whole square. Very simple. U by v, leaving v, d by dx of u means x plus sec x minus leaving u means x plus sec x, d by dx of v means cos x whole upon denominator means v whole square. Then cos x of whole square. Now only put the formula. Then here cos of x, inside the bracket two terms are there. Clear? Differentiation of x is only one. Differentiation of sec x means sec x into tan x, correct? And minus x plus sec x, or differentiation of cos means minus of sin x whole upon, and here cos of x whole square means cos square x, cos square x. Now you can open the bracket if you want. After that, whatever value will come, this is answer. After that you can solve. Okay, this is answer. Now going to tell the next example here. Now you see this question, y is equal to cos of log of x. In the first video I have given differentiation based on chain rule. Chain rule means if two or more than two terms of composite form, like here cos of log of x. Clear? So we have two formula. one formula is given in the book, and second formula will tell from my side here. The first formula, which formula given in your book, I am going to tell this formula first of all. Then chain rule here, chain rules. Clear? Then dy by dx is equal to dy by dv into dv by dx, because here two form are there. Two form means only two compositions terms are there. If three or more value, we can put here du by dv by like this one here. Then here first of all here you see dv by dx. Clear? Then let log x is equal to v here. Now whatever value you will suppose, you will put here. Therefore y is equal to cos of log x is equal to v. It means v here. Now putting this formula here, and dy by dx is equal to d by dv. What is value of y in the terms of v? Y in the terms of v means cos of v into dv by dx. D by dx of what is value of v in the terms of x? V in the terms of x means v in the terms of x is log of x. Understood? Very simple method. dy by dx is equal to dy by dv into dv by dx. Here log x is equal to v here. After that we will put the value in this formula. D by dv of y means cos v into d by dx of v means log of x. Now we can put the formula only. Differentiation of cos v with respect to v is what? Minus sin v into, and differentiation of log x with respect to x is equal to what? 1 by x. Then minus sin what is the value of v in the terms of x, because in this form question is there, question is given, at last we have to get the answer in the form of that. Clear? It means in the form of question x. Then put the value here. What is value of v? V is equal to log of x. Then sin of log of x upon here x. Now this is answer. So this is the rule based on chain. Now giving another rule. Outer inner function. Outer and inner. Outer means here outer and inner. Clear? Outer and inner function. You can say after completing whatever simple for you, you can apply only one method, either this method or this. Then here y is equal to cos of log of x. Very simple here. First of all, put the symbol. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cos of log of x. Now this is outer function. Cos x is the outer function, and all the remaining either one or more than one, this is inner function. Then cos x. Cos x means what? Minus sin and log of x into d by dx of, again we have to differentiate inner function. Inner means log of x. Then here minus sin of log of x upon differentiation of log x means 1 by x. Now this is answer. Very simple it is. Cos x outer function, log x inner function. Find the derivative of outer function every time. Minus sin log of x. Then again differentiation of inner function. Then log of x. log of x means 1 by x. Now this is answer. Understood? Okay. Now see the last question. I'm going to tell last question. Last question means equal to sine of log of cos x. Now let cos x is equal to v. Clear? Now we can put here y is equal to sine of log of cos x is equal to v. Then v here. Again, let log of v is equal to u here. Clear? Then y is equal to what? Sine of u. Sine of u. Any problem? No. Now we can put here, since dy by dx is equal to, we have formula du by dv into here with respect to, we know that dy by dx is equal to dy by the value of y in the terms of u. It means here du into du by what is value of u in the terms of v, then dv upon what is value of v in the terms of this, it means dx. Now this is formula. This is chain rule, important rule also here, but this is not compulsory. You will apply by these methods and you will get the answer. One more rules we have, we can apply that rule also. Then here, now what is the value from this side here or this side? What is value of y in the terms of u? Sin y. Then d by du into sin u into d by dv of what is value of u? U is equal to log of v, value of v, v means cos x, d by dx of cos of x. Now we can put the formula. Sin u is equal to what? Cos of u. Log x is equal to what? Sorry, this is v here. Log v is equal to what? 1 by v into cos x means only sin x. Then cos u into what is value of v? V is equal to where? Yes, cos x. Cos x here into sin x. Now what is value of u? U means here log v. Cos of log v into minus 10x, sin by cos 10x, at last minus here, cos of and log of v is equal to what? Cos of x, and cos of x into 10x. Now this is answer by using chain rule. Now see this question with the help of simple formula outer and inner function. Outer and inner function, only very simple here. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin and log of cos x. Clear? Very simple here. First letter means here sin is the outer function, rest of inner function. Then depreciation of sin means only here cos and remaining log of cos x into d by dx of log of cos x here. Then cos of log of cos x into log of cos x is what? 1 upon cos x d by dx of cos x. Clear? After that, cos of log of cos x into differentiation of cos means what? Minus sign. Minus sign means sin x upon cos of x. At last we can write minus cos log of cos of x into here 10x. Now this is answer. This answer with the help of outer inner function, this answer with the help of chain rules, both are same answer. You can see here, both are same answer. This answer and this answer, it means depend on you. Whatever formula, whatever rules are simple for you can apply. It is not compulsory examination. You will apply this formula, But in examination, you have to use only one formula, either this formula or this formula. Don't worry, very happy. Yes, we can do this question, and both the formula you can apply. No, don't be so time, because time is important in examination. That's why you will use only this formula, this formula. Okay. Now going to give the homework question. Okay. Now this is a homework question for you. First question: y is equal to cos of x minus 8 a power x plus 6 into x power 4 plus 30 minus log of x. Second is y is equal to log of x base a into cos of x. Third question is y is equal to a power x into sin x upon x cube. Next question, y is equal to sin of log of x. Means this question we will do with the help of chain rule or direct means outer and inner function. And last one, y is equal to under root x into sin x. All these questions are in homework. Please, you will complete homework with me in the next video. Next video means third video. I will tell differentiation based on inverse trigonometrical function. Okay, thank you very much.